How to write a summary, as told by your coolest teacher. Smile. When you summarize the text, you briefly state the most important ideas. Brief means short. A good rule of thumb is that a summary should be no more than a quarter of the length the text you are summarizing. So, if you have a 4-page text, your summary should be no longer than 1 page. A summary starts by stating the central idea, what a text is mostly about. A central idea is more specific than a topic. If I'm summarizing the article going to the extreme, the topic might be extreme sports. The central idea is going to be more specific. What is it telling me about extreme sports? A better central idea would be, athletes participate in extreme sports despite the risks. I then support the central idea with relevant details from the text. If a detail has nothing to do with my central idea, then it's not relevant. Don't let things like dates or big numbers confuse you. They may look like they are important, but they don't always have to do with the central idea. Finally, I end with an interesting final thought. This keeps your reader thinking about the topic. Think of it as a big so what? What have we learned from this? Why did this event matter? What should be our reader's takeaway? Try to keep it light. You don't want to add any new information that you would have to prove with evidence. One more thing. Summaries don't have opinions. I shouldn't have statements with loaded language like extreme athletes are crazy. It is my opinion that they are crazy, but it's not supported by the text. If I support an opinion, I'm no longer writing a summary. I'm writing an argument essay. To sum up, a summary must have 3 things: 1. The central idea stated in the topic sentence. 2. Supporting details that directly relate to the central idea. 3. An interesting final thought. One thing your summary shouldn't have, is opinions. In my next video, I will show you a model as I go through this process with the article, going to the extreme. Happy writing!